guys. So now today we will see loops concept in Java. So let's understand. We have to see loop in Java. So what actually loop is? The term loop is when want to perform repeated task repeated task in certain condition. So if there is certain conditions you want to perform any repeated task, that is actually a loop. So let me tell you, let me draw a diagram here. Suppose I have a circle here and I'm writing some number here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So this is the number and I want to perform, looping. So let's understand by this diagram. Let's understand this diagram. Suppose I have one circle and this thing is, this object is moving around this circle till there's a condition. I mean, if you want to start with the 1 and it will continue with the 2 and again it will go 3, 4 and 5. This will be inside the loop till the condition remains true. So once the condition is false, this will come out of the loop. But if the condition is true, I mean if the loop is continuously moving infinity, this object will move inside the loop continuously. Once the condition false, this will be come out of the loop. So when it will come out when the condition is false. So if condition is false, loop will stop. So basically we are seeing that loop, if you want to start anything inside the loop, we need to give some condition. So we have to give initial condition, initial value, after that condition, then you have to increment, like increment by 1 or by 2, how much increment you want after one task, how much increment you want. So that is increment and decrement. Now I'm writing, let's suppose there's one variable I. As of now I'm giving one value equal to 1, and what I'm saying, I want to give this I should go till I less than 10. I'm giving condition here, and after checking this condition I want to increment by 1. So I'm writing I plus plus. I plus plus means increment by 1. So we will see all such thing when we go deep into the technical. As of just understand why we need loop and why we are doing this operation. So now let's see how I can make here. I is equal to 1, I less than 10 and I plus plus. So what you understand, as of now you can see 1 and here I is 1, I less than 10 means I की will I is 1 and I less than 10 means true. If it is true, come down and print 1. After that I plus plus. So what it will do, it will increment I equal to I plus 1 equal to 2. So I value will be now 2. So I is now 2. 2 less than 10. Yes, come down and then print 2. Now again I equal to I plus 1. I is what? 2. 2 plus 1 3. I will be 3 now. So now again check. I is 3 and I is less than 10, condition true. Then come in print 3 here. So the same way it will go for the 4. Check the condition. I less than 10, 5. I less than 10, because I is what? I is 5. You can take this variable any name. As of now I'm taking I. You can take any name. Now condition 6, 7, 8, 9. If I will be 10, suppose now I equal to 10. Now come and check here. I is 10. Here I less than 10, condition true or false? Condition false. So if it is false, then it will not go inside the loop. It will come out of the loop, and it will see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 output. You will see these output. Okay. So this is the loops. Now let me understand. I'll tell you. Suppose you are watching any movie or any short. This is any short video. Any short video, 1 minute video, and I want to this video repeatedly go into the loop. So there is an option inside the video, loop. You can on or off. So when it is on, it will move this. It will move. It will move till the condition, till the loop is off, till the loop is on. Once it is off, it will come out of the loop. That is the concept of loop. Then how this loop we can achieve using Java, so that we will see. So in Java we can achieve loops 3 ways. First, using for loop. Second, using while loop. And third, using do while. 3 way we can achieve this loop concept. How to write? Suppose we have to print the numbers 1 to 10 using loop. So what you will do, you should know your condition should start from where until how much increment you want and the condition. So as of now in my programs, our requirement is I want to print the number 1 to 10 using loop. So as of now we are using for loop. So let's see that syntax of the for loop here. For loop syntax. First, initialization. Then condition. After that, increment or decrement. Suppose here I want to initialization is what I want to initialize a value with 1. So as of now I'm taking int I equal to 1, and this loop will continue till the condition is false, when I will become 10. And how much increment you want? After printing one number, I want one increment, so I plus plus. Okay, so let me go and make very clear, understand you properly. It's a for loop, is a fix, is a keyword actually in Java. Curly brace open close, and this is the curly brace, the round bracket and the curly brace. Opening it. Now what do you want? I want initialization of by 1, I equal to 1, and then you want condition. Condition is what? I less than 10. It depends on your requirement, how much time you want to repeatedly do the task, and I plus plus. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm drawing something to make it understand. Here I equal to 1, and I less than 10, and I plus plus. Okay, so as of now I is 1. You can see here, this is the syntax actually. I is 1 and I less than 10. Condition true or false? Condition is true, so what happened? The loop will come inside here. When it will come inside this for loop? When the condition is true. Once the condition is false, this will go out of the loop. So now this time what I am doing, I equal to 1, I less than 10. What you want to perform here? You want to perform what actually task you want to do, you can do it. So as of now I am writing system dot out dot println. This is the syntax actually in Java. We will see once we'll in the Java classes. I. So what is I as of now? I is 1, I less than 10, then print I. And after that it will go again into loop, and you will see I plus plus. Then I will become 1. So this will become 1. Oh, initially it is 1, now it will become I plus plus, it will become 2. So I will be 2. Then it will check I is 2, I equal to 1. Now I will become 2. Once it is 2, then 2 less than 10, yes. Condition true. Come here. Come here and print here 2. So now 1. Here you can see 1. After that 2. Now again. Now I will become 3. So 3 less than 10. 3 less than 10, yes. Again what I'm printing here 3. So you can see here 3. Then again I plus plus, I plus plus, then I will become what? 4. So now I will be 4. Every time you are printing and incrementing by 1. Every time you are printing, increment by 1. Till that I will become 10. Once the I is 10, so now let's see. If your I is 10, I equal to 10. Now let's see what happened here. I is 10, and I is, and condition is what? I less than 10. So is this condition true or false? I is 10 and less than 10. Condition is not true. True, it's false. So this time it will not go inside the loop. This will go out of the loop. So till it will print then. So what it will print at last? Print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Once the condition false, it will go out of the loop. So this way we can achieve loop in Java. There's a first way of looping. I shown with the help of for loop. The rest while loop and do while loop we will see while doing the practical. So what we will do, let me show you one small example of the same program we can do with the help of while loop also. Only the syntax is different. See, in a while, this is the way we have to write. In while you have to write one boolean condition. Boolean condition. What is boolean condition? We will see. And here print what you want to print. I next increment plus plus or minus minus, what you want to do. So in for loop everything is in the one line. See, initialization, condition and increment decrement. But in while loop condition is in the bracket, increment decrement after that, and before that you have to do the initialization. Int I equal to 1. So this is the other way of defining loop in Java. So you got the point. Okay, so what we will do, the remaining I'll tell you. See, designing this one to make you understand. See, we will be inside this loop till the condition remains true. Once the condition falls, it will go out of the loop and your loop will be stopped. So that is the concept of loop. And the third way is the do while loop. We will see in the when doing the practical. So as of now I'm closing this concept of loop. If anything left, please let me know so that we can update, and if anything missing, we will do in the practical session. So as of now, after this I'm going to start this practical using IDE. So I'm stopping this video. In the next sessions we will see practically how to write a for loop. Thank you.